Hi, Barry Watts from the Wealthcare Corporation here to talk about some of those pesky abbreviations that come from the government. One of them is the RMD. If you are retired and you have retirement accounts at certain ages, you have to start making your RMD. That stands for Required Minimum Distribution. Here's what it is. The government's afraid you're going to die one of these days and you won't have paid all the taxes on the money that's in your accounts, and they want you to get all that tax paid before you die. So at a certain age, they start saying you have to make the RMD. Now, over the years, the age at which you have to make the RMD has changed, and so most everybody who needed to make an RMD at the earlier ages has done so by now. So the people who might be watching this video are either going to have been born in the 1950s, 60s, or 70s. Here's the way it works. If you were born 1951 through 1959, your required minimum distribution age is 73. If you were born after 1960, like I was, your required minimum distribution age is 75. Now, the required minimum distribution is the percentage that you have to take out of your account that year and pay the taxes on in order to satisfy the government. And there's a formula and a calculation for how you figure that out. And your financial advisor really should be helping you with that. And if they aren't helping you with that, well, reach out to us at the Wealthcare Corporation, and we're happy to show you that process and help you with all those things, because that's just one of the many services that we provide to our clients is RMD calculation and compliance. Barry Watts from the Wealthcare Corporation. Let us know how we can help you. If you like this content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Watts on Wealth, or go to savingyourtaxes.com for more information.